Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to transfer multiple files. That means the videos and the photos, multiple files from the device to Samsung SSD, portable SSD. So let me show you. First of all, we need to connect this SSD to your device, and after connect this one, go to the files. Okay. So here you can see the name of the SSD. If you tap on this one, now you can see this is empty. So let me show you how to how to transfer the files, multiple files. Go to the photos, and from here we have to select the multiple files that we want to transfer. To select the multiple files, tap on the select option on the top right side. You can select any number of files. You can select the videos also. Here you can see the video. You can see. Okay, this one also. Yeah, you can see 13 items selected. After select the files, tap on the share button on the bottom left tab. Scroll up. Here you can see the option save to files. Tap on this one. Now go back. And from here you need to select the name of your SSD. You can see. Tap on this one. Tap on save. You can see. Now the Samsung is empty. Tap on save. Now just wait for a few seconds. You can see the successfully copying. Now go to the files. Tap on Samsung. You can see all the files you can see here. So simply in this way you can transfer the multiple files, means the videos, photos in a single tap. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.